Pour milk over the chicken. KFC will hate me for this secret. In a bowl, add thinly sliced chicken breast. Use as much as you like. Then cover it with milk. Next, add some salt and a bit of black pepper. Mix and marinate for 30 minutes minimum. Meanwhile, in another bowl, add flour. Add salt, pepper, oregano, paprika, and baking powder. Now mix everything well. Then add our chicken to this flour. I used a lidded container to shake it well. Dip in milk again and repeat the process. Look how beautiful our chicken looks. Now it's time to fry it. Once golden, remove and let it drain. See how delicious this chicken looks. Try it at home, everyone will love it. Perfect for lunch or even as a snack. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. A big hug to you all. See you next time, thanks.